Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add crypto in MetaTrader 5. So the first thing that we need to do is simply open up MetaTrader 5 here. And then as you can see, if I search for any crypto on this search app, it won't pop up. As you can see, there's no crypto USDT or any Bitcoin that shows up. So what you can do is go to settings here on the bottom right part of the screen, and then you tap on your account, and then you tap on plus, and then you search for crypto. So for example, Bitcoin or 8cap. So since it doesn't show up here, what you can do is go to your browser. So any browser, I'm going to be using Brave, but you can use any browser that you want. You can use Safari or Chrome. So what you want to do is just search for 8cap here, as you can see on my screen. Now you tap on this website, and as you can see, you will need to create an account. After you've created an account, what you can do is download this on your Windows phone or your MacBook computer, and you connect it to your app on your MetaTrader 5, and then from there you can add crypto from 8cap to your MetaTrader 5 app on your phone. And that is it. That is how you add crypto in MetaTrader 5. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.